So अगर आप के ज़बान से और yo my baby, yo what a baby, sexy baby. So whatever your problem, whatever the night, whatever the day, welcome to the midnight show. वो तो बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम हुआ। आप रोज बाहर का खाना खा सकते हैं।
नहीं, उसके पास इतने पैसे नहीं हैं।
तो क्या टेंशन है?
तो बोलता है मेरे को खाना बनाना है। मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप मेरे को अभी रेडियो पर खाना बनाना सिखाएं, एक रेसिपी।
क्या आपके होने वाले हस्बैंड का नाम क्या है?
उसका नाम जिग्नेश।
पूरा नाम जिग्नेश
शाह।
जिग्नेश शाह। अपना जिग्नेश भाई का फेवरेट डिश क्या है?
मटन बिरयानी।
मटन बिरयानी।
हाँ, वो ऐसा फेक गुजराती है।
अच्छा, वो
घर पे बोलता है कि नहीं खाता है, लेकिन मोहम्मद अली को रोज जाता है।
वेजिटेरियन मटन बिरयानी खाता है कि नॉन वेजिटेरियन? At my feet. जब मैं जवान लड़का था, बहुत साल पहले, मैं बड़ा था, मस्क्यूलर था, और मैं मल्हार को खुद आता था। हर साल पे साल 5 साल खेले। 5 और मैं भी मिस्टर मल्हार में पार्टिसिपेट किया, और मेरा बेटा का जैसे मैं बहुत अच्छा था। वेल डन सन, वेल डन। थैंक यू पापा, थैंक यू पापा। पापा जी, कुछ मम्मी के बारे में बोल। मैं आई मेट योर मम्मी और एक रात खड़ा, वन नाइट स्टैंड। That I did not participate in.
Yeah, you look so enthusiastic.
Before I joined your company, I worked with Palaz Military Bit as an intern, and trust me, he's
behind the kitchen counter.
Yes. So I'm warning you if you're going to join him after college. But I remember I participated in Western performing arts, Indian performing arts, the Hindi play, the English play, Radio Malhar, everything, and then I died. क्योंकि यहाँ से बुलावा आता था, यहाँ पे बहुत serious crowd रहता है, यहाँ से बुलावा आता है, ये तो बहुत serious रहता है. But I enjoyed it thoroughly. So I'm hoping, when we were calling you up on stage to do your thing, I noticed 2 things about us since we passed out of college and come here. Either you guys are very outgoing, or you guys are
my suggestion is all the people who are on stage today should not join a corporation, should not become a suit, should not listen to anybody else, should do their own thing, and they should join a company which allows them enough freedom to express themselves in whatever way they want.
बजाते रहो baby, आग से बजाते रहो all the time. By the way, you can hear me on Red FM 93.5. My name is Rohini. Hello, Adda. That's the name of the show. And you know what the best thing is? किसी के कपड़े मत फाड़ो बस. बाकी सब फट जाए, no problem. The best thing is the feeling. Hey man, admin. Admin, can you come in the front? I won't make you sing. Isn't she pretty? I'm so sorry. I didn't do that on purpose. That was for you. You should just keep your eyes on. That's me. Okay. Hi, you will listen to songs on Red FM and write them down. Why? Oh, that's cool. Give it up for him, man. So are you trying to say because you do all this, you deserve this? Does he deserve it? Here you go. Just because you said Red FM and all. Nice, nice. If you guys say Red FM, you... No. What's my name? Say my name. Say my name like they say it in that song with Madhuri Dixit. Rohini. Can't hear you. Can't hear you. Now you think I'll dance 1, 2, 3 over? No. But this is for everyone who screamed my name. Okay, this is for everybody. So that you go and you write, okay? Yeah. You came and danced for us and all. Anything else you need me to say? No, right? Can I go? Wow. You know what? One thing about the spirit of Malhar, the OCs change, the OGs change, the volunteers change, the t-shirts remain, and the audience every year, they are fantastic. You guys were an awesome audience. Thank you so much. This is Rohini signing out. Kal milling and chilling, as I say on the radio. 93.5 Red FM. Bajate raho, guys. Keep it real. Okay, I'm going. Okay, bye.